Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how we are going to divide an arc into 4 equal parts. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do, we are going to draw an arc using center, start, end, right? Any distance. Great. So now we need to find okay. So this is the center of the arc, and we do not know the radius of the arc. So what we're going to do now is draw construction lines from this point. So we need to turn on node, right, or point. So we're going to draw a line from node, and we're going to go to the extreme end of the arc. We're going to do the same thing for the other end. Lovely. Right. Let's label our points. The center is O. Okay. And we label this as B. Okay, now using the arc, center, start, end, and A as center, we must know the distance. So let's say we go 70. We are going to scribe an arc here. This is supposed to be construction lines, right? And same arc, center, start, end, using B as center this time, and 70 as the radius for the arc. We scribe another arc, right? Now we connect, we draw a line where the intersection is to the center of your original arc. Now we have two equal parts here, or two equal angles. In this video we are doing 4 equal parts, so in this case we need to bisect or divide this part of the arc into two equal parts. So we go back to the arc, start, center, end, and using this point, let's name that point. We're going to name it C. Alright, so we go back to the arc, center, start, end, using C. We're going to scribe an arc, let's say 30 millimeters, and then we go and scribe another arc using A as center, and this time we're going 30 millimeters. Lovely. Now on the exact same side, we're going to use center, start, end, and then we're going to use C as the center and 30 millimeters as the radius. Scribe an arc there. Now we're going to go select the arc again, and we use B as center, 30 millimeters. Now we scribe another arc. Now we draw lines from intersections to the original center, lines from intersection to the original center. Right, now our arc is divided into 4 equal parts, and we need to show that. Right, great. So now we have an arc AB divided into 4 equal parts. Right, and that's how we get, and that is how we divide an arc into various parts. So using the same methods that we use here, the same bisecting methods, we could even go further and divide our arc into more parts. Alright, yeah, so that is it for this video.